प्रैक्टिकली आपकी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट हुई 1
March से। हाँ
ओके, और तभी भी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हो जाएगा?
हाँ
Okay.
तभी था, मुझे थोड़ा था क्योंकि हाँ आई वाज इफ आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू डू दिस, so I thought I will clear any
ओके,
question.
एक्यूरेसी कैसी आ रही थी?
It was above average in
अबव 50%?
yeah, above 50%, but not excellent, of course. It was not I was not coming to 80 90, it was 65, I think 70 65.
तो व्हेन यू रीच्ड ओवर देयर, तो तब आपको क्या लग रहा था कि कौन सा बुक टफ रहेगा मेरे को? पढ़ने के बाद एक बार पढ़ लिया सर,
मुझे आफ्टर ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेप आई रियलाइज्ड आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन क्वांट्स, बट ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेप आई रियलाइज इट इज मच मोर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड देन थियरी. You have to complete in 2 minutes. You can't get carried forward, and you can't even get discouraged if you are not able to answer the question. And it's very cold. People don't talk about this, but it is very cold.
व्हाट हैपेंड इन दैट फर्स्ट 1 hour?
First 1 hour, you think time, I have time, I am doing it. Then after the time vanishes. Is you can't, there's no concept of time, I feel. After the 1 hour is over, the clock is ticking, and you blink and there is 3 minutes gone.
Okay.
You are never more aware of your existence, I feel, when you are in the exam.
If I now ask you, what is that one mistake that you did which you do not want anybody else to do in the preparation journey? Hello guys, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students who are preparing for competitive exams in finance like CFA, FRM and SCR. Today I have with me one of my students who has been able to clear the FRM level 1 exam in the May 2024 attempt. And she's going to be talking about her exciting journey of clearing the exam. So we have with us Unnati, and this interview is going to be a mix of Hindi and English. सो उन्नति, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आप आए यहाँ पे और टाइम निकाला. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आप एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे दो कि आपने लेवल 1 के लिए प्रेप कब चालू किया था, और आपका ग्रेजुएशन कब कंप्लीट हुआ था बेसिकली.
Okay, so I graduated in 2021, and then I was searching for something like which is different than CFA. Everyone was doing CFA, and I myself, I think I have a very critical personality or something. I don't know. It was a very stupid way, but I found FRM then, and I think you are one of the very few people who provide coaching for the same. So then I started my prep. तो मैंने book 1 खोला, and it was very easy. I felt like okay, so and I severely underestimated the difficulty level, how it after the other book 1, which is just a base. So then I procrastinated a lot, which was my mistake. And then I sort of gave up on the preparation when it came to book 4.
When you went to other books?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I went to book 4 and everything, I was just like, I don't think so. This is, I will be able to digest all of this in such small time for my exam. So it was a complete mistake, and I realized that. And then I was supposed to give it in November, but I fell very ill. So I stopped preparing. I think I started my prep for level 2 again in March properly.
Level 1 again?
Yeah, sorry, level 1 again. So I started in March.
March of 2024?
Yeah, March of 2024. And I sort of, I think, logged in the 1.5 month prior to my exam. I logged in where I was studying for, I think, in a day. I am a person who can hyper focus for, if I'm sitting for 6 hours, so I can focus for 3 hours. So I had to realize, like in the weekdays, I was giving it a sufficient time, like 6 hours I was studying, and on the weekends, I used to study for 8 hours, 9 hours.
So practically आपकी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट हुई
1 March से. हाँ.
ओके, और तभी भी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हो जाएगा?
हाँ, तभी था, मुझे थोड़ा था क्योंकि हाँ आई वाज इफ आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू डू दिस, सो आई थॉट आई विल क्लियर. आई न्यू.
ओके, और वहां से फिर आपने हर रोज जैसे आप पढ़ रहे थे, तो जो मेरा एक्सेल का ऑर्डर था वही फॉलो किया कि
नहीं, आपका एक्सेल का ऑर्डर फॉलो किया, which was very helpful. It is a proper flow of concepts. Each the book, I think chapter prior helps you to solve the following chapters. So it's very helpful, and it helped me a lot.
तो आपने फिर लेकिन कैसे किया, वीडियोस देख रहे थे?
हाँ, I was watching the videos and then I was doing the easy questions which is there in the portal, and then I used to club like similar like options. Then I used to solve all the hard questions for that.
So you complete all the chapters of options
and then I
together.
used to
अच्छा, उसके चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन एक साथ दोगे?
Yes, I used to solve all the hard questions.
Accuracy कैसी आ रही थी?
It was above average
above 50%.
Yeah, above 50%. But not excellent, of course. It was not, I was not coming to 80, 90. It was 65, I think 70, 65.
Okay.
And it differs on the concept.
ठीक है. And when did you completed all the full chapters, that 62 chapters once?
I completed in, I think, April. End.
ठीक है, so 2 महीना लग गया.
Yeah.
Okay. तो when you reached over there, तो तब आपको क्या लग रहा था कि कौन सा बुक टफ रहेगा मेरे लिए? पढ़ने के बाद एक बार पढ़ लिया सर.
मुझे आफ्टर ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेप आई रियलाइज्ड आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन क्वांट्स, बट ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेप आई रियलाइज इट इज मच मोर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड देन थियरी व्हेन दे आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट इज व्हाट I was scared about. First of all, the vocabulary, because it can get confusing, and also the time, and it's against you when you are in the exam.
You have to complete in 2 minutes.
You have to complete in 2 minutes. You can't get carried forward, and you can't even get discouraged if you're not able to answer the question. And it's very cold. People don't talk about this, but it is very cold.
Acha, on the exam center.
On the exam center.
Okay.
And they mention it in the secret sauce, I think. They mention it below, like these are the conditions. They differ from your home. So you have to be prepared for that also. Like, so, and I realized in the questions, they ask you very confusing questions on easier concepts. I think they'll make a complicated question on the easier concepts, and they sort of have a moderate difficulty level on like hard concepts. And
okay, on the day of the exam, that this is what you understood.
Yeah.
But just slightly coming back, you completed everything by end of April with chapter wise solving also and the videos also, correct?
Yeah, sort of. A little bit questions.
1 to 3 chapters were left. Okay, that's okay. Then did you solve the sectional test?
Yeah, I solved the sectional test.
And what was the accuracy in that?
I would say again 70, 60, 70.
It was good. 70, 60 is good actually.
Yeah.
And what about mock papers?
I did not solve any mock papers.
And why? I mean, you had time?
I had time to solve 2, 3. I had time,
okay,
but I'm a very anxious person, so I knew if the mock score is not good, I will be discouraged and it will affect my confidence on the exam day. Okay. So I consciously did not solve the mocks.
So you were just reading?
Yeah, I did, and I went through a lot of, but I went through the questions.
Achha, you didn't solve it properly,
but I went through the questions.
Okay.
And what the answers could be. I think that's a great, better.
You checked for how many mocks like this? 3?
2, 3. Yeah, 2, 3 I have checked.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And when you went on the day of the exam, was there any problem at the center? No, right? I mean,
no. My center was very good.
Okay. You went and you started solving. What happened in that first 1 hour?
First 1 hour, you think time, I have time, I am doing it. Then after the time vanishes. Is you can't, there's no concept of time. I feel after the 1 hour is over, the clock is ticking, and you blink and there's 3 minutes gone.
Okay.
You are never more aware of your existence. I feel when you are in the exam. That
but overall you felt that time management was a problem. I mean, you were facing that.
Yeah, I faced that challenge.
And you were able to complete everything in that 4 hours?
Yeah.
Properly? Okay.
Yeah, I would say not to leave anything, even if you have also told us not to leave anything. Attempt the question. If you're lucky, you will just get them right.
By fluke also you can get some answers.
Yeah, that is true.
And what about the overall, how many questions you marked flag?
Initially, I was marking a lot of them flag. But then I realized this is very confusing. I shouldn't be doing it. So I was trying so what I did in the 1 hour only, I was trying to go back to them and finish them off. Like,
Achha, okay.
So what happens is, even if you're mildly, one thing is that you will be certain about the answers for, I think, 20% of the questions. Rest all of them you think I think I can change the answers. And this year, I don't know, but I felt like the options are very similar to each other. There is like 1, 2 things they have changed. I think hardly that. They might just change the order of the sentence.
Right.
So I felt
So you cleared all the
yeah,
flags.
flags I was clearing, not to flag a lot because yeah, then at
You'll
the
not-
end you
you'll
will
not
be
have time.
hurried and you wouldn't, yeah. And the questions you could have gotten right also, you will like miss them out, I
Or
feel.
you will change the answer.
Or you will change the answer.
Okay. And then if you can tell me from your experience in this entire 100 question, how many were easy, how many were medium tough, and how many were very tough as per your experience?
I think very tough were, I think it is, I feel very tough are very few, and because medium were a lot of them. I think
Okay.
40%, 30% was medium. Easy questions is again subjective, I think. Yeah, the book one questions are easy, but I got a 3. But so there are no easy questions as such. I feel
Okay.
you can, it's on your preparation, I think it depends.
And but how many times before the exam you have read the Schweitzer book?
I had read it twice, on the chapter wise I have done it. So book 1 I had read it once or twice, and the book 4 I went through the concept multiple times, the harder concepts multiple times I went through them, but not necessarily all the
All
chapter.
the entire books.
Yeah,
Important
yeah.
concepts.
But one reading I had done anyway. One reading I had done. Yeah, I
And
would.
something which you felt that it is outside the Schweitzer in the exam, that any question that okay, this concept was not there.
No, that did not happen. But a lot, if you think in the Schweitzer book, there is a very limited. They have not explained the concept. It's a very short explanation, and you think it doesn't seem important for the exam, but they'll ask you anything. They can
It might
test
be
you
a
on
one
that
line in
also.
Schweitzer, they will pick up.
They'll pick up that also.
Okay.
So you have to have an understanding about everything.
Okay. And when you came out of the exam, what was the confidence level? And how much was the number in your mind that okay, I'll get this much correct?
Actually, I thought the reverse. I thought like book 1, so I'll get 1 only because it was simple and it was just.
But in the
so much
exam also
theory.
you were able to do it properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and my confidence, I was not very confident because you're uncertain only. They had asked some questions. Again, I underestimated like, oh, this concept is not that important, so I won't be tested much on that. But they had asked everything from everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. And what are the quartiles that you've got now?
I got 3, 2, 2, 1.
3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, wonderful. So book 1 that you focused more, book 4 you focused more on, you got first quartile.
Yeah.
And book 1 which you thought it is easy,
Yeah.
got third quartile. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about book 2? I mean, what was the confidence that you had initially in the result that you've got?
No, I wasn't confident about my quant skills in general. So the book 2, I feel the formulas are very important. So in the exam, a lot of it was substitution based, and they were testing.
Plug and play.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they were testing. Okay, this is a formula which I think a lot of kids wouldn't have read, but they had asked a question on that. If I think you should be thorough with all the formulas
In book 2 at least.
in book 2 at least, very important.
Okay.
And because they'll ask you a very substitution based question, but the thing is you underestimate what this formula
Got it.
is not used anywhere, so let me just skip this one, but they'll ask you a
Okay.
fairly easy question.
If I now ask you, what is that one mistake that you did which you do not want anybody else to do in the preparation journey?
I would say solve mocks because it will for sure help you with your time management. Very important to solve mocks.
Okay.
And start earlier also. Don't
start in March.
Don't start in March. Yeah, don't start in March. You will be overwhelmed, and it's a lot of brain capacity you need. I think it's better to break up the concepts and rather than to cram at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
And finally, 3 tips on how to prepare for the exam.
Be consistent. Solve a lot of questions. I feel very important. And the third tip is the conditions are different. So please be aware, it's very cold. So be prepared.
It was actually cold.
It was it was actually cold, and I did not know you can tell them to turn off the AC. So and you don't actually, when you just everything disappears and you are so hyper focused.
Okay. So one point which I really like that you even did not solve the mocks, but you focus on the chapter wise questions properly. I
Yeah.
think so that helped you to overcome that mock wala thing.
Yeah.
Right. So wonderful. I mean, this conversation is going to be really helpful for a lot of new students who are going to plan the exam in the future. So thank you very much for joining and being a
Thank
part of
you.
this.
Thank you, sir.